Okay, inventories part 2. We are working on learning objective part 2. Calculate, explain cost of goods sold and inventory using the different cost flow assumptions. And remember, it is necessary to have cost flow assumptions because prices do not stay the same. How do we assign cost to inventory? There are various cost flow methods, and this video is going to talk about specific identification. The other methods are first in, first out, pronounced FIFO, last in, first out, LIFO, and average cost. Specific identification is where inventory is identified as coming from a specific purchase. Everything is tracked individually. This is usually limited to high priced inventory. It doesn't make sense for high volume inventory like canned goods or blouses, but we're talking about high-end sports car, a boat or a yacht, jewelry. Specific identification is not practical for most inventory. Let's take an example. Let's say you are the Bellevue Square Tesla dealership and you purchase 3 cars from Tesla to resell at 3 different times with slightly increasing costs. Now, it's important to say that these 3 cars are identical. The fact that they cost the Tesla dealership more just means that Tesla raised the prices on this car. It does not mean that the car is different. So let's say at the end of December they sell 1 car, and they are tracking these cars on its VIN number, vehicle identification number, and they easily know which of these 3 cars they sold, and they determine that they sold the November 25th car. So when they calculate gross profit, it's easy. They compare the selling price to the cost of goods sold to get to gross profit. Now for cost flow assumptions, you don't have to match the physical flow, the physical movement of goods to the cost that you used. You just have to be consistent. This ends specific identification. Next video will be FIFO, part 3.